Let's end with Bitcoin taking investors on another wild ride today, briefly trading below 4,200. Jeff, this thing feels like a dog with fleas. Would you buy it here?
I'm not touching that, but I do think the volatility is providing an opportunity. So I talked yesterday about it on air. I looked for that 4,500 level. We did bounce off there momentarily. Now we're kind of back down testing that level, but I think there's been a huge washout. Make no mistake about it. Once we broke that line at 6,000, people were running for the doors, reconsidering all their cryptocurrency holdings, and we saw that flush out. So we're seeing high volume, right, in the futures contracts. So I think this provides an opportunity for a little bit of an oversold bounce. I'm not saying cryptocurrencies, specifically Bitcoin's going back to 20,000 today. I'm just looking for a little short-term bounce from a momentum oversold perspective. So I want to be a buyer at 4,400, looking for a test back at 5,000. There's a lot of back and fill on that chart. However, in the event we still more selling pressure, more stops get hit, I'm stopped out of this trade at 4,100 and look out below.
Okay, Grizz, even if you don't really like Bitcoin, can you get behind it for a trade?
You know, I can't right now, Jackie, at this point. I think, Jeff's giving that puppy some love. I can't do it at this point. I still think we got some more room to the downside. Everything that we thought about Bitcoin this year, that there was going to be an ETF, that there was going to be widespread application.
Yeah, none of it happened.
None of that has happened right now. None of that has happened right now.
So
the other thing,
you're
Jackie,
saying,
that
Grizz,
I'm seeing is...
You're saying that this dog has rabies, huh?
Well...
I'm saying just stay away from that dog. Leave it outside. Don't bring it in the house right now. The other thing, Jackie, that I'm looking at is the volume in Bitcoin.
Yeah.
If you look over the last 3 or 4 days, it's actually accelerating as we get down to the downside. So I don't know if these are future sellers to hedge what they own physically at this point, because the future prices have never been there at this point, or people just getting short this market right now, thinking we're going a lot lower from here. I haven't figured this out yet. I want to see open interest on the shorts, but I'm thinking that people are building a short position right now, and that's why the selling's coming in.
All right.
And the volume has increased.
I'm going to end on that note, guys. We're going to get the risk reward in this trade. Jeff is buying Bitcoin futures, even though Grizz isn't so much into the trade. 4,400 even. He's targeting a move up to 5,000. Each point in this trade, a little bit more than $4,000. So risking 300 to make double that on the trade.